Sedimentation tank. Sedimentation is a physical water treatment process using gravity to remove suspended solids from water. Solid particles enter by the turbulence of moving water may be removed naturally by sedimentation in the still water of lakes and oceans. The general idea behind a sedimentation tank is very simple. If water is kept still long enough, any solid material suspended in the water will simply fall to the bottom or float to the top of the tank. Water is sent to the sedimentation plant. Solids like feces settle down at the bottom of the tank to form a watery sludge. Sludge is removed from the bottom with a scraper. Floating solids are removed by skimmer. All the impurities are removed till now, and the water supplied is called clean water.